As a cosmetologist, I question why people spend so much money on so many products when one product has the answer. It is no big secret that people are fed up with spending lots of money on multiple products and they still can't comb their hair out. So, this is where Key Lolo come into play. Now, stick with me now. Don't swipe away from the video. The natural hair movement really confused a lot of people with what they call 4C hair. I'm here to tell you the solution has always been simple, regardless the number they put on hair. The cold wave perm has never left the hair salon. While it may not be as trendy, it may not be as popular, it remains a staple for people who have limited range of motion, people who are not detangle savvy, people who are cheap like me as a Scorpio, and they're looking for a one product solution for one hairstyle. The average person is not a concoctionist. They don't like mixing products. They like to use one product made by people who know hair. Now, I understand a lot of people are like, I'm not putting any chemicals in my hair. I don't trust it. I think it's dangerous. It's safe. Can we reimagine this chemical service? Of course we can. But for now, in the spirit of Afro hair science, the cold wave perm remains a viable option. Like, share, and subscribe.